Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2016 Replica Entertainment Gran Turismo set. This is one of my favorite sets, so I want to do a flashback of it since I never did a video on these. The cars in the set are the Ford GT, the Corvette C7.R, the Nissan Concept 2020 Vision GT, the Lamborghini Veneno, and the 2009 Nissan Gtr. So the first car is the Ford GT. In 2016, this appeared in two Gran Turismo series. One was for the hobby exclusive, which had a plastic base, and this one, which had a metal base. There have been two other times where this casting has had a metal base, and the other was in 2013 Boulevard set. You can see they're the exact same car. Let's take a look at this Ford GT. As you can see, it's matte black, then it has Goodyear tires, GT, 4, then 4 GT. And this is a really cool casting. I really like all the design they did on this car. And this was in 2016. And this looks super good comparing it to now. This is the 4GT LM version we have seen many times. The most recent version was from this 2020 Mystery Models Series 2. So the next car is a Corvette C7.R. What makes this one special is this version of the casting is the only one with a metal base, just like the Lamborghini and the GTR. As you can see, this is dark red. Number 7. This is Gran Turismo on the top. And then number 7 right here again. The backlights are super cool. It would also be cool if they made the new Corvette C8 coming out, just like this one. We have seen this casting many times, and most recently as a Red Edition and ID car. The Red Edition also has a variation that has a special Spectraflame paint. So next up is Nissan Concept 2020 Vision GT. This is not my favorite in the set and has only been made once, and I'm not sure if we'll ever see this being made again. If you want to check out the real car in real life, check out Supercar Blondie's video. She did a really good explanation about this car. You can see this is silver, then Gran Turismo right here, Nissan. And then since back in 2016, this was a concept at the time, I'm guessing they didn't know what to add on it because they never had anything added on this car when it first came out as a concept. The car does look pretty cool with the sleek design. The flat roof makes it great to mount a camera on if you've ever seen my racing videos. So next up is the Lamborghini Veneno. Just like the Corvette, this is the only Veneno casting with a metal base. You can see this car is yellow, then yellow outlines on the wheels. Number 5. Then also says number 5 here. 2 black stripes. following from here. And this is super cool. Then you can see the backlights. This Lambo is so good looking. This and the blue one from the multi-pack last year are probably my favorite version of the casting. So the last car is a 2009 Nissan Gtr. Again, this is the only version of this casting that has a metal base, which makes it special. If you take a look closely, you'll see that this car has a right-hand drive version. You can see if you look on the left here, there's no steering wheel and it's on the right. So this car is black, and you can see the backlights, the 4 exhausts, number 5 GT. And the rims they use are super nice in my opinion for this GTR. The 2009 GTR is a very popular casting. We have seen it in a black and an orange color as a speed machine with the CM6 wheels that look so good on it. We have also seen it in a couple Fast and Furious mixes. Overall, this set is amazing because of all the supercars. If you have the chance to get this at a convention or toy show, I would definitely get this and add this to your collection. My favorite car of this set is a Ford GT. It just has so much detailing on it, and they also added the Goodyear tires that stands out for even more detail. So this is super cool in my opinion. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave, like, and subscribe. And tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2016 Gran Turismo set.